Hey guys, it's Fanatic Guide, and on my unboxing table next is the Oontz Angle 3 by Cambridge Soundworks. So, what this is a Bluetooth speaker that is easily portable, weighs about 9 ounces, and is surprisingly inexpensive. It's 28 bucks. And from what I heard, it's a pretty good deal. So, yeah, let's get started with this. I heard that this thing had pretty good quality. Better than an Amazon Echo, no offense to you Amazon Echo owners who don't own these things. So let's get started. I'm going to pull on this tab. Not easy to do this thing one-handed. And then pull this. And we're greeted with a quick start guide, which basically talks about the packaging and what's in there. And then we get the actual speaker itself, which is wrapped in plastic. And we will see. Hard to do this one-handed. There appears to be nothing in the box. Beyond that, I'll see. I'll scavenge around in there later. There is nothing to be found beyond that. Let's unwrap this. Now it is unwrapped. We get it out. We'll actually slide it out. And this is what we get. And don't mind that white stuff, I think that just came. That's just easily able to be wiped off. Looking around, looks pretty good. Now, all we need to do next is power it on and oh, I forgot to mention that there is a USB charging cable along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. There actually is something beyond there. The charging cable. And the headphone jack. So let's get that undone. Hard to do one-handed. Extremely hard. And I'll be right back. As you may see, we are in a different location right now, and that is because the thing is charging. And as of right now, I have the thing connected to my iPhone. See right there? So, yeah, it'll be a while. overall, I'd say very good quality from that speaker over there. And I was playing from my phone, which is paired to that, to the speaker, so they're sort of intertwined a bit. So the video was playing the audio through there. And so yeah, I hope you find this video informative. Please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.